When a girl disrespects you, here's how to make her appreciate you. Do you ever get the feeling that women don't respect you? Do they treat you as if you're a piece of garbage and walk all over you? Are you fed up with ladies ignoring you and focusing their attention on other men? Let's face it, ladies will never love you if they don't respect you, because a woman cannot love or respect a man she does not respect. You want women to look up to you and respect you. When you speak, you want your demeanor to draw attention to yourself. You want ladies to pay attention to you and hang on every word you say. How can you gain women's respect? You must first respect yourself in order to seek respect from women. Nice males put women on pedestals discreetly and instinctively. They are putting themselves and the women above them down by doing so. If you find yourself acting too much like a good man who supplicates ladies, it's time to start treating yourself with kindness. It's fine to be enraged about it. It's time to wake up and take control of your life. Consider the girl you're currently smitten with and ask yourself, why do I like her so much? Is she deserving of it? Or are you romanticizing her too much? Treat your time and attention as a gift to get women's respect. Don't just hand it off for nothing. When you give your undivided attention to girls who treat you terribly, it's clear that you don't cherish or respect yourself. It also implies that you have no other women in your life who treat you better, since if you had, you would spend your time with them rather than with the one who treats you like garbage. By being direct with what you want, you can stand up for yourself. If you're honest about what you want, it's a terrific way to gain women's respect. After all, it's generally because you're wishy-washy that a girl treats you horribly. Make a stand for yourself by giving them a straightforward, honest answer to what you want, without any sugarcoating. Your candor will astound and impress women, and they may change their opinions about you. I had planned to meet a woman from an online dating site a few years ago. She ignored me and wasted my time, so I informed her up that I didn't care for it and that it wouldn't happen again. Let's just say I earned her respect after that. Women should never be treated as second-class citizens. You must not accept second-class treatment if you want women to respect you. Don't text a woman twice if she doesn't respond. Wait for her to return your call. You want her to put money into something. If a lady treats you badly, don't be a coward and ask her what's wrong or why she's acting that way. Don't pursue a woman who displays no interest in you. Make yourself attractive to the women who are interested in you. Stop wasting time with a female who disrespects you. This is not only disrespectful to yourself, but it also wastes time that could be spent with girls who are interested. Develop the I'm getting laid vibe. Women admire males that have an abundant mindset. Because, you see, here's the thing. The characteristics that trigger attraction are the actions you would take if you had a large number of women to choose from. It's the mentality you have when you're a guy who gets laid frequently.